Hi you guys, I am here with a little bit of an update for my December daily album. I've shown you guys stories 1 through 8 and then a couple of stories I have done without filming. I was having a ton of technical issues with my computer and I was just frustrated, so I went ahead and did a couple pages without recording to take the pressure off. But just to give you a recap, we have my opening page. I still have to go back and cover up this backside, a photo of our Christmas tree, story number 1. And then story number 2 was about this ornament. Number 3 was about decorating again. 4 was visiting a Christmas tree farm. 5 was just decorating at home. 6 was this little trip to see lights. 7 was movies. I still have to go back and do the back side of that. And then 8 was this stocking exchange. And in that video, I didn't share this, but I did the journaling on the inside cover with a white gel pen. And then I also added these 2 stickers. I don't think that was in the video. So day 9, I left this blank. I might go back and add like a little embellishment, but for now it's blank. But day 9, I shared another photo from the Christmas tree farm that I honestly just forgot that I had. But it's a photo of my boyfriend and I on the little train. And I didn't write anything. I just wrote Very Merry, day 9, or story number 9. No journaling or anything. Kept it super simple on one of these Ali Edwards shipping tags. And then on the back, I adhered some green paper, just pattern paper, and this little Here Comes Santa Claus. So we were in Louisiana for one of my brother's football games, and we had nothing to do because it was just a boring part. We were in Shreveport, which is not the most exciting place in Louisiana, so we didn't really have anything to do. So we went to a Bass Pro Shop. Randomly, my mom was like, we should go in here. So we went in there and I saw Santa was there and I was like, Mom, we have to take a photo. So I convinced her to take a photo with me. And we're actually wearing these flannels, which I bought as gifts for my boyfriend and my brother. And I was like, we'll wear the flannels. It'll look like we meant to be here. And so we were waiting in line behind some families to take this photo. I convinced my mom, and then all of a sudden Santa grabs a plastic water bottle, and it was like a plastic Sprite bottle. And I was like, what the heck? Santa's bottle's empty. And all of a sudden he spits tobacco into this bottle, like he was chewing tobacco while being Santa Claus, which was a very wild thing to see. And it was very funny, but a little disgusting and kind of shocking at the same time. So my mom was like, do we really have to go over there now? Like, what the heck? So we still went and took our photo, which was funny and just kind of ridiculous. So that was the story. It was a funny story to tell, and I just used a ton of embellishments. I kind of went crazy with all of my Santa embellishments because I don't think there's another story that has to do with Santa that much in the rest of my album. So memories with Santa, and then I wrote never imagine, like we would never have imagined that happened. I do really love this paper I used. It's like a dark print, and the back side of it is this Merry Christmas kind of pattern. And so I think I will keep this as the back paper for my next story. So I just wanted to catch you guys up to speed. I'm sorry I didn't record the full process of these, but it was just, I wanted to get them done and didn't want to have to worry about all the technical issues. So I've got it figured out. I'm going to start posting the videos again. But yeah, I just wanted to give you a little update. So I hope you enjoyed this really quick video, and I will see you for day 11. Bye guys.